Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us for today's Tech Tip. My name is Jameson West, and this week we'll be covering how to create a new encryption rule using Office 365's message encryption service. To access Office 365's message encryption capabilities, first go to the Admin Center in Office 365. Next, go to the Exchange tab under the Admin Center's drop-down on the left sidebar. Once you're on the Exchange Admin Center page, select the Mail Flow tab on the left sidebar. The Rules tab will be displayed by default. To create a new rule, select the plus icon on the Rules toolbar. Select More options at the bottom of the New Rule window. Assign a name to the rule that allows other administrators to determine the purpose of the rule. To specify when encryption is implied, use the drop-down menu under Apply this rule if, and select whatever type of event you may want to encrypt messages for. For example, select the subject includes any of these words if you want to create a policy where a user could simply type encrypt in the subject to force encryption. Another window will appear that allows you to specify which words or phrases will initiate email encryption. For example, you can enter encrypt and use the plus symbol to add it to the list. Once you've added the desired words to the list, press OK to close the window and return to the new rule window. Next, select the drop-down arrow under Do the Following. Highlight Modify Message Security and select Apply Office 365 Message Encryption. It's important to note that the Apply Office 365 Message Encryption option will only be displayed if you have enabled Office 365 Message Encryption in your Office 365 tenant. You can also add exceptions to the encryption rule by selecting the Add Exception button and using the drop-down menu to specify certain conditions. You can choose if the rule will be enforced, tested with policy tips, or tested without policy tips. Next, specify when to activate and deactivate the rule, make any final modifications, and finally save the rule. Refresh your page and check to make sure the rule was successfully created. Creating a new rule using Microsoft Office 365's message encryption service is simple and can be a vital tool for managing the encryption of emails containing sensitive data. I hope this tip helps your organization enhance the security of your business-critical information. Thank you for joining us for today's Tech Tip, and we hope to see you again next week.